Every single case, it's always the same excuse. It's for your safety. If you pursue security over liberty, you will have neither.
General, you said something. You basically call this the End of America Act. How would that? I mean, we're all assuming, and unfortunately, that's how cynical we've become. We're all assuming that the government, in many instances, already does it. The Twitter files have shown that some agencies, have had through various periods unrestricted access already to accounts, chat histories, and all that other stuff. So what is the difference between what we learned from the Twitter files and what the Restrict Act would permit?
The difference is this. First off, the unelected bureaucrats are acting as if the Restrict Act was already on the books. They're not very shy about getting invasive with your things. We've even seen credit agencies like Equifax put out social media scores into people's credit ratings. But these things are illegal. There's no law that they can point to say this is okay. So what they're doing now is they're codifying that this is okay. They've already gotten you used to the invasiveness that started on the day that the Patriot Act was born. Look at the attacks on the Bill of Rights. And the Bill of Rights don't come from a government, by the way. They come from our Creator. And they just want to illegally outlaw your codify that you don't have a First Amendment to speak your piece on a social media platform, that you don't have the ability to stop a warrantless search of your digital property or any other property, that you don't have the ability to defend yourself in court. You're not even under this act. You're not even allowed to use the Freedom of Information Act in your defense.
This is what I wanted to ask you about really specifically, sir. In your article, it says the Restrict Act would not allow Freedom of Information Act access for citizens, which is the whole point of Freedom of Information, of FOIA, is for citizens to be able to at least have some sort of insight into the government dealings.
Right. So what's American about that?
So would that mean that no citizen would have access to FOIA, period?